The Brush Buster is a heavy-duty rotary brush mower that is bigger, stronger, and more powerful than the competition. It's packed with industry-exclusive features to help you tackle more jobs in less time. The quiet yet powerful hydraulic motor and heavy-duty gearbox are standard equipment. The Brush Buster's most famous feature is the unique float and tilt system that delivers an even cut no matter the terrain. The float and tilt allows the mower deck to follow the contour of the ground instead of having a rigid hookup directly to the skid loader. Here you can see the float and tilt in use as it maintains perfect contact with the ground on both inclines and declines. Float and tilt means a better, more even cut effortlessly, so you can finish quicker and do a better job, saving you time and operational cost. The unique stabilizer bar adds rigidity to the mower deck, allowing the Brush Buster to cut heavier materials while avoiding unnecessary flex. The large 6-inch diameter roller helps the mower stay in constant contact with the ground to avoid violent jerking. Greasable roller bushings provide for longer life and easier maintenance. The Brush Buster is equipped with a stump jumper rotor and swing-away blades to prevent unnecessary damage to the unit. Dual-edge cutting blades can be reversed for longer life and lower cost. The Brush Buster cuts moving both forwards and backwards and can tackle brush and saplings up to 3 inches in diameter, helping you blaze through the toughest trails. If you're looking for a monster of a brush mower packed with more features, the Brush Buster from Quick Attach is the animal you're after.
A.M. Leonard, experience what thousands of other horticultural professionals already know. Great tools, great service, great value.